loyalty. Say you want me to trust you, but that's hard for me. I'm about to tell this, I'ma get permanent scars on me. I done ran out of love looking for loyalty. Say I done ran out of love. I done ran out of love.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dee Dee. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So y'all, this is usually what the Ipsy comes in. It used to come like in a box, but they recently switched back to like this or whatever. So this is how it comes, and it's just like a, I guess, a velvet type of pouch or whatever. It's really cute, and you can like really you know, reuse this when you're traveling and stuff like that. And it comes with a little card, the September 22, and it kind of just tells you everything that's in here. So I got a sunscreen, a cream blush, exfoliator, hydrating mask, and a highlighter plus foundation. And it says it's valued at $120. And what you'll see is like a monthly subscription. I think it's like 25 bucks a month. And the first thing is this facial sheet mask. And it is 1 a day water mask, hydrating for your skin. Ingredients: coconut, rose water, and it is by Hello Organic, natural and organic facial sheet mask. I'm really excited to try. I like hydrating masks, so because I have very dry skin, so yeah. And it must be 2 of them, because this one says, on this side it says hydrating. Can you guys see that? And then on this one it says brightening. And it has peach, lime, and eucalyptus sheet. So yeah, so I think it's 2 in here. Yeah, so I'm interested to use that. Let's see what's in this bubble wrap. Looks like some type of palette. I mean, I just said what was in here. I forgot that too. I don't know. It says Space Case Cosmetics Quad. So let's see. It has a sleeve. Oh, it's cute. Hold on. Can you see the shine? I don't know if you can see it really good, but this looks cute. Yeah. And I'm guessing this is the light highlighter. Yeah, I'm guessing. But yeah, this is cute. I can get a lot of use out of this. Whereas a highlighter or eyeshadow, because I love shimmer. Like I have on shimmer eyeshadow. I don't know if you can really tell, but yeah. But this will be cute as highlighter or eyeshadow. And I really like Ipsy. Sometimes they be like, I didn't cancel my subscription before because sometimes it seemed like they be getting stuff I don't even want. So I had to go back in there, like change, you know, do my little questionnaire again. Because I wasn't liking what they were sending me, but it's done got way better. And this is Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah, let's see. Okay. It has like a light scent to it. I got a paper towel over here. Yeah, here go one. But yeah, that looks like it'll be, I like trying out different stuff, so that's why I really like Ipsy, because you get to try out different stuff without having to spend, you know, a lot of money. I done got some really good stuff. I think last month I got like a Huda Beauty lip gloss or whatever. No, demi matte lipstick, and I really like that. So I really like what I be getting sometimes, because I ain't gonna spend out, I don't really like and spend, you know, wasting money trying stuff. So $25, like, that's not too bad to try new things, you know. This is a Avant, what is this, glycolic acid rejuvenating face exfoliator by Avant. Can y'all see that? These lights is really not playing. But yeah, it just comes like that. And I like a good exfoliator. I don't like stuff too rough. I used to, you know, I started out with that St. Ives, you know, the apricot scrub that everybody used to use back in the Gap. You know, you can get from like Dollar General somewhere. But I really don't use that anymore because they said it was like harsh on the skin. So I've been trying to like use like different exfoliators that's like not as harsh on my facial skin. Because like I said, I have dry skin and I do not want to you know, just damage my skin or whatever. And I also got a what's this? Afra. I don't know how to pronounce this. Afra lip gloss. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a pink with like a shimmery gold. It's really cute. Let me see if I can open it. Let's see. Okay, it looks like it's just a light, yeah, like a clear. It goes on clear with like some little shimmers in it. It's cute. It's cute packaging, but I mean, it really ain't gonna do nothing once it go on your lips. Let me put a little bit on just to see. Yeah, it just glosses it up. Nothing major. But yeah, that is it for my Ipsy. If you want to see me trying out these products or anything like that, just let me know in the comments down below. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank everybody for subscribing. I'm so excited. I got my first, you know, like, little subscribers. So I'm really excited about that. So if you're new here, make sure y'all subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll always know, you know, when I upload a new video. And peace out. I'm out, y'all.
Say I done ran out of love. I done ran out of love. Say I done ran out of love. Say I done ran out of love.